Hello and welcome to another Grants Aviation Trip Report. Today I'm at Seattle-Tacoma International Airport for my flight to Chicago. After security, I have a short walk to my gate. When I got to the gate, I had planned on taking some pictures of the aircraft, but Seattle's design makes it hard to do so, as it has a piece of glass and then a hallway and another piece of glass. This flight was originally booked on Alaska Airlines. However, due to a last-minute cancellation, we were rebooked onto United. So, this was my first time on United. As I boarded, I was given a sanitizing kit. I was very impressed by the modern feel of the cabin. Here's my seat, 10F. As we push back, you can see SeaTac's new bridge connecting the A gates and the South Satellite. United Flight 1769 connects Seattle and Chicago. It spans 1,490 nautical miles and will take about 3 hours and 25 minutes to complete. Tonight's flight will be operated by November 69816, a Boeing 737-900 built in February of 2014, making it 7 years old. Without further ado, here's our takeoff from runway 34 right at Seattle-Tacoma International Airport. On climb out, we got a good view of downtown Seattle. Since this was a night flight, the crew was giving out stroopwafels, pretzels, and a bottle of water. As we started to ascend Chicago, the sun started to rise and we got a good view of O'Hare Airport.
Welcome to Chicago. The local time is 5:24 a.m. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and other small devices. If you're sitting in an extra row, please refrain from plugging your devices back into the outlet. Please check your seat back pocket and be sure to open under seat to make sure you have all your personal belongings. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartments. On behalf of the entire United team and our Star Alliance partners, we thank you for choosing the fly with us today. We truly appreciate your visit and we hope you enjoyed your flight.
As we taxied to the gate, I will say that the flight crew was rather unpleasant. Could be due to fatigue since it was an overnight flight. But I got from Seattle to Chicago safely and on time, so that's what matters. That's it for this trip report. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe.